Hey, it's summer again, the season we've all been waiting for, filled with endless possibilities and adventures. That means long sunny days, warm breezes, and the irresistible call of the water. It's the perfect time to get outside and make the most of what nature has to offer. Whether you're a seasoned water sport enthusiast or just looking to dip your toes into something new, I've got some thrilling ideas for you to make this summer unforgettable. Let's dive in. First up, wakeboarding. Imagine this. You gliding across the water, propelled by a powerful boat with nothing but your board and your courage. The rush of the wind in your hair and the spray of water on your face is an experience like no other. It's a mix of surfing, water skiing, and snowboarding, perfect for those who crave a little adrenaline. The thrill of catching air and performing tricks will keep you coming back for more. If you haven't tried it yet, this is your summer to shine. Don't worry if you're a beginner, there are plenty of resources and instructors to help you get started. Next, how about stand-up paddleboarding, or SUP as it's more commonly known? It's a versatile sport that can be as relaxing or as challenging as you want it to be. It's not only fun, but also a fantastic full-body workout. Balancing on the board engages your core, while paddling works your arms and shoulders. You can take it easy on a calm lake or push your limits surfing ocean waves. The choice is yours, and each option offers its own unique set of challenges and rewards. Plus, the view from a paddleboard, unbeatable. Imagine paddling out to the middle of a serene lake or along a beautiful coastline, taking in the stunning scenery. Whether it's your local river or a tropical paradise, paddleboarding offers a fresh perspective on any body of water. It's a great way to explore new places and see the world from a different angle. Now, if you're looking for something a bit more extreme, kite surfing might just be your new favorite sport. It's a thrilling combination of surfing, paragliding, and wakeboarding. With a kite to harness the wind, you'll be soaring and speeding over the water in no time. The feeling of being lifted off the water and flying through the air is simply exhilarating. It's exhilarating, it's challenging, and it's a whole lot of fun. The learning curve might be steep, but the rewards are well worth the effort. Just make sure you get a few lessons under your belt before hitting the waves solo. Safety first. Don't forget about the classics like kayaking and snorkeling. These activities offer a more laid-back way to enjoy the water, but they can be just as exciting. Explore coastal caves in a kayak or marvel at underwater ecosystems while snorkeling. The beauty of the underwater world is something everyone should experience at least once. These activities might seem more laid back, but they're packed with opportunities for adventure and connection with nature. Whether you're paddling through a quiet river or swimming with colorful fish, you'll feel a deep sense of peace and wonder. And for those who truly want to embrace the spirit of adventure, why not try scuba diving? It's the ultimate way to explore the underwater world. Dive into the deep blue and explore sunken ships, vibrant coral reefs, and swim alongside sea creatures in a way you've never experienced before. The sense of weightlessness and the beauty of the marine life will leave you in awe. It's like entering a whole new world, a hidden underwater universe just waiting to be discovered. Every dive is a new adventure with endless possibilities for exploration. So what are you waiting for? The water is calling, and it's time to answer. Grab your gear, pick your sport, and make this summer a splash. Whether you're a thrill seeker or just looking to relax, there's a water sport out there for you. Whether it's catching waves, exploring depths, or something in between, there's a water adventure waiting just for you. The possibilities are endless, and the memories you'll make will last a lifetime. Remember, the water's calling, and it's time to answer with excitement. See you out there. Let's make this summer the best one yet.